Hi, in this recording we're going to show you how to use find and replace for capital letters. So this could be useful if you've typed a document and then realise afterwards perhaps a job role should be in capital letters or a title case, or a street name, description of some sort should be in a different case to which you've typed it. So in this document I'm going to use oral history as an example. I would like oral history to be in title case, so with a capital O and a capital H, but throughout the document it's in lowercase. So I go to replace, and in here you've got the more button, and you can see there you've got match case. So I want to find the words oral history, and I want to find them all in lowercase. I want to replace them, these words, with oral history, but with a capital O and a capital H. Again, if you unclick that, it's just going to really not replace, it will just replace oral history with oral history. It's not taking in notice of how it's typed. So you click the match case, replace all. It's made 11 replacements. Okay, close, and you can now see oral history is in title case as required. I hope this helps. Thank you.